Summary. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of number or functions. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n. Aij m into 1 is a column matrix. Aij 1 into n is a row matrix. An m into n matrix is a square matrix if m is equal to n. A is equal to Aij m into m is a diagonal matrix if Aij equals 0 when I is not equal to j. A equals Aij n into n is a scalar matrix if Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Aij is equal to k where k is some constant when I is equal to j. A is equal to Aij n into n is an identity matrix if Aij is equal to 1 when I is equal to j. Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. A zero matrix has its all elements as 0. A is equal to Aij is equal to Bij is equal to B if A and B are of same order and Aij equals Bij for all possible values of I and j. K into A equals K into Aij m into n, which equals K into Aij m into n. Minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. A minus B is equal to A plus minus 1 into B. A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B and C are of same order. K into A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb, where A and B are of same order. K is constant. K plus I into A is equal to Ka plus Ia, where K and I are constant. If A is equal to Aij m into n and B is equal to Bjk n into p, then AB is equal to C, which equals Cjk m into p, where A into BC is equal to AB into C. A into B plus C equals AB plus AC and A plus B into C equals AC plus BC. If A equals Aij m into n, then A prime or A into T equals Aji n into m. A prime whole prime equals A. K into A whole prime equals K into A prime. A plus B whole prime equals A prime plus B prime. AB whole prime equals B prime into A prime. A is a symmetric matrix if A prime equals A. A is a skew symmetric matrix if A prime equals minus A. Any square matrix can be represented as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Elementary operations of a matrix are as follows. Ri can be interchanged with Rj, or Ci can be interchanged with Cj, whereas Ri can be replaced by K into Ri, or Ci can be replaced by K into Ci. Ri can be replaced by Ri plus K into Rj, or Ci can be replaced by Ci plus K into Cj. If A and B are two square matrices such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is the inverse matrix of A and is denoted by A inverse, and A is the inverse of B. Inverse of a square matrix, if it exists, is unique. Hope you have enjoyed this chapter.